Welcome to Once Upon a Page. Cooking with the Lorax by Sonali Fry. I am the Lorax. I want something to munch. I think that a salad would make a good lunch. Come with me. I will share. My garden is right over there. A salad needs some greens. I pick lettuce and beans. Carrots will add crunch. I will pick a bunch. Maybe a potato? No, I do not think so. I will gather berries. I will pick some cherries. I am done with my stroll. Time to get the salad bowl. Wash, wash, wash. Slice, slice, slice. Everything looks very nice. Add a cheesy crumble. Can you hear my tummy rumble? Pepper and salt, if you please, but not too much or I will sneeze. Then a dressing goes on top. First, I like to taste a drop. Now I toss it up, up high. Watch the salad fly, fly, fly. Finally, my salad is done. Making it was lots of fun. A salad is a yummy treat. I cannot wait to sit and eat. The end. Thanks for reading with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch more.